Hey Sunshine Squad, it's Jazzy, and today I'm going to turn myself into Debbie from the Wild Thornberries. First things first, let's get those eyebrows done. I'm going to be making mine super thick, bushy, cartoony, and I am going to also be adding some yellow face paint so that I can kind of make them a little bit more like cartoony blonde to match hers. Next, we're going to conceal. I'm going to start underneath my eyes. I then am going to bring it onto my eyelids. I've been using concealer on my eyelids instead of primer, and I love it much more. And then after I put some on my eyelids, I also will be bringing some onto the bridge of my nose, and then I will be using the concealer to clean up my eyebrows a little bit because I want them to be bushy but not messy. Alright, let's blend that all out. Alright, so next we're going to be doing the contour on our nose. She kind of has a nose that starts out skinny at the top and then becomes a triangle at the bottom. So we're going to try to recreate that with this dark brown concealer. We're also going to be doing our cheeks. We're going to give ourselves high cheekbones because Debbie does have really high cheekbones. Alright, now we're going to set some of that makeup down. We're going to do underneath our eyes to catch any fallout when we're doing our eyeshadow. And any other problem areas. We're going to take dark brown bronzer from my It's My Ray Ray palette to sculpt my cheeks out a little bit more, and my nose, trying to give it more of like a shadow to make the shape we're trying to do look more effective. We're going to take dark brown eyeshadow and we are going to put that on my lid, blending it out as we get to the top. No harsh lines. Align the upper lash line. I don't usually line my lower lash line, but that's just me. You can line both if you want to, but for me, typically I just do the upper lash line. I'm going to take this beautiful highlight from my Marvy Corn palette with BH Cosmetics, and I am going to do the inner corners of my eye to try to brighten them up a little bit. I'm going to take this really cute blush. I'm going to blush it on my cheeks, flick it on there really lightly. And now I'm going to take some highlighter. Sorry, ignore me, I'm a little weird. And I'm going to put that on my cheeks and above my lip and the bridges of my nose. Alright, I'm going to take this dark maroon pencil. I'm going to start to line my lips. Debbie has dark lips, so I'm going to try to make my lips as dark as I possibly can since I don't have a dark purple. Next, I'm going to take this really dark maroon matte lipstick, and I'm going to put that all over my lips to try to darken them up a little bit more. dark, deep, almost black color and put it on top to try to just darken it up. That last little bit I can try and do to try to get my lips as close to hers as possible. Like I said, if you have a purple, this would be perfect and you wouldn't even have to worry about this. And there you go. And that's all it takes. It is just a basic grungy look. And nothing too eccentric. She doesn't wear a lot of makeup, but I just really love her so much. I related to her, so I really thought it would be really fun to do a Debbie from the Wild Thornberry's cosplay. Here's my cosplay. Look right there. So it's just really fun. Bang in front of my face like she does, as you can see, and dark lips and just a brown smoky eye. Blend it out. Nothing special. I'm not the makeup genius. This was just to have fun. So now it's time to get dressed. See you guys. Alright, so this is just the finished outfit. I got this really cute men's checkered flannel from Amazon. I got this really cute orange top from Amazon. It's a crop top, tank top, and these awesome pants from Goodwill. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. Hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys next time.